Yes.
Okay. Alright, you can go. This evening I will be talking about the solar power as an alternative energy source. I'll be focusing on my presentation on the following points. First, what is the solar power and its energy source? Then a few key points about the sun and its energy. Also, I will be talking about the solar and the PV panels, and finally wrapping it up my presentation with solar cells and what they are. So let's begin. What is solar energy and power? Well, solar energy is often called an alternative energy source to fossil fuels, such as oil and coal. When we say something is solar powered, we mean that the energy used for the power came directly from the solar energy or sunlight energy. Light energy from the sun can be transformed into electrical energy and used immediately or stored into batteries. PV panels are devices that convert energy into electrical energy. To understand more, you should know a few things about the sun and its energy. The source of energy in the sun is at its core and where the hydrogen is converted into the helium in a thermonuclear reaction. This energy travels from the core to the surface of the sun and is released into space primarily as light. Every hour, enough sunlight reaches the Earth to meet the world's energy demand for the whole year. The Earth is a third planet from the sun and a distance of about 93 million miles. It only takes light energy 8.5 minutes to reach the Earth from the surface of the sun. Interesting fact, I know. Now I'd like to ease our minds into PV and solar panels. Solar panels collect and utilize heat energy from the sun, while PV panels are made up of smaller sections called solar cells. However, we should realize solar cells are devices which convert solar light energy directly into electrical and functional PV effects. Solar cells can even be used to charge and recharge batteries, so electricity can be stored for later use when the sun is not available. The fully charged batteries are portable energy that can be used whenever and wherever they need it. Sunlight contains packets of energy called photons that can be converted directly into electrical energy. So in conclusion, solar power has many advantages over fossil fuels. One is that the sun is free and does not have to be bought like other fuels. It also doesn't hurt the environment, and it is a renewable energy source. Hopefully this presentation has convinced you that solar energy is a smarter, greener choice as alternative energy source. You're capable of making the change today yourself and your future. Thank you. Any questions?
I have a question.
Yes.
You said that it is smarter and greener to use solar panels. What about price-wise?
Well, price-wise would be a negative effect on this because it's expensive.
So it's more expensive.
But in the long run, it's going to save us lots of money and not hurt the economy.
So what you're saying is there's a extremely high startup cost to purchase photovoltaic PV panels to set yourself up for solar energy.
But in the long run,
Do you know what the return on investment would be? You know, if I buy one solar panel, how long does it take me to recoup my fossil fuel costs that I would normally spend in my house?
no.
Could you possibly get back to me on that?
Yes, I could.
Very nice presentation.